Friends, OPPO's A series now has a Pro Max model too. That's right, we're talking about the OPPO A7 series, and this phone is called the OPPO A7 Pro Max. Even the colors have names like Riding the Waves and Bright Future, bringing you some very auspicious meanings.
In my memory, OPPO really likes to get creative with the A series design. Let's guess the case. Oh, it's transparent, but the sides have a different finish, likely to prevent yellowing. Goodness, this rectangular camera deco. And underneath, it should still have that OPPO smile curve. Let's take out the phone. Everyone, this is the true look of the A7 Pro Max.
First, I want to get closer to the camera so you can see the lens deco area. It is all metal. Yes, you heard that right. This is definitely flagship level quality, and this part is very interesting. The flash is inside the ring, see? Then below is a 3D textured relief design. See that? Let me tilt it a bit. Can you feel it?
Can you feel it? I am not sure if it is obvious on camera. The sides of the device feature a flat frame made of a premium composite material. Besides the interesting back, the front, when lit up, has large rounded corners. Although the bezels are not as narrow as the flagships, it seems perfectly fine for the A series. By the way, I want to mention the thickness on the side. Can you guess the battery size of this phone? They say it is a 10,000 level long life battery, durable for 7 years. I just checked the system, and on the back panel, look here, it has an ambient light. You can set it to various colors, and at the same time, you can configure it for notifications and incoming calls. Most importantly, you can set different light colors for 3 specific contacts. For example, your partner gets this color, your boss gets that color. If the boss calls, we don't answer, and if the partner calls, we don't answer either. So whose call do we actually answer?
If Zhang Datao calls you, then you answer. Of course, as an A series phone, it naturally has its own unique selling points, so once this product is fully released, we will see you then. Bye!